Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
Agilus Diagnostics.
The symphony of yoga and meditation fosters not just physical well-being but also mental well-being. Sabhayakram in this report is exploring the benefits of meditation, especially in this day and age where stress, fatigue, depression, mood swings, mental ailments have become synonymous with normal living. All the more important for all of us is the practice of meditation and why it helps you solve just so many problems that you would be facing.
Modern and fast-paced lives have brought with them the burden of stress, a constant pressure to perform. The daily grind has invited stresses that were alien to our grandparents and even perhaps our parents. But with problems also come solutions, and world over, the practice of mindfulness is helping scores overcome stress.
In such a fast-paced world, when everyone is looking for instant satiation, instant performance, instant results, reality is very different. To cope with this continuous demand that the outside world is putting on you, I truly believe that meditation is no longer a luxury, but it is a necessity.
You know, if you are in summers in a humid place or in a dirty place, you have to take bath more often, right? Something like that. So when there's a lot of stress, so the way you have your dental hygiene, you have your physical hygiene, you need to have your mental hygiene. So with so much of stress, as you said, so much of digital world, all so much of impressions that we get every day with all these, we need to wash it off every day. If we don't wash it off, it's like we are emotionally and mentally not very clean. To have the mental and emotional stress, we need to meditate every day.
Meditation is a powerful tool that's been practiced for thousands of years. It offers numerous benefits for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. You can use it to increase awareness of yourself and your surroundings. It helps in improving concentration levels when our brains are constantly multitasking.
Meditation is quite important in today's day and age because looking at how we are evolving with the technology, with our lifestyle issues that we have on a daily basis, meditation and yoga becomes a very essential part that one must practice because it brings in that sense of balance, or it reinstates that sense of balance which is lost. And with that, when you achieve that state of equilibrium within you, then it definitely is helping in today's day and age.
People also use the practice to develop other beneficial habits and feelings, such as a positive mood and outlook, self-discipline, healthy sleep patterns, and even increased pain tolerance. There are several benefits of meditation. It reduces stress, it controls anxiety, promotes emotional health as well. It also enhances self-awareness, lengthens one's attention span, reduces any age-related memory loss. It also generates kindness, improves one's sleep, and helps control pain. Besides that, meditation can even help decrease blood pressure.
For effective decision making, to have that balance between the analytical aspect of the situation and the sensitivity of the people involved, meditation is key. Like an arrow that is rolled backwards to move towards its goal more in a more focused manner, the need to let go of mental activity is paramount to achieving intellectual brilliance.
While many spiritual traditions include meditation as a part of their teaching and practices, the technique itself doesn't belong to any particular religion or faith. Though ancient in origin, it's still practiced today in cultures all over the world to create a sense of peace, calm, and inner harmony. Meditation may offer a solution to the growing need to reduce stress in the midst of busy schedules and demanding lives. Although there isn't a right or wrong way to meditate, it's important to find a practice that meets your needs.
If you cultivate your body, mind, emotion and energy, the meditation will naturally happen. So how many types of or how many kinds of meditation we have? It can be done in innumerable ways, or there can be many ways of doing it. Different gurus and the teacher have done it a very different way. So there are multiple and innumerable meditations that are being offered currently.
There are 9 popular types of meditation practice. The first is mindfulness meditation, in which you pay attention to your thoughts as they pass through your mind. Spiritual meditation focuses on developing a deeper understanding of spiritual or religious meaning and connection with a higher power, like Christian contemplative prayer, Sufi dhikr, Jewish Kabbalistic practices. Focused meditation involves concentration using any of the 5 senses. For example, you can focus on something internal, like your breath, or you can bring in external influences to help focus your attention. You can count mala beads, listen to a gong, stare at a candle flame, count your breaths, or moon gaze. Mantra meditation is prominent in many teachings, including Hindu and Buddhist traditions. This type of meditation uses a repetitive sound to clear the mind. It can be a word, phrase, or sound, one of the most common being Om. Also known as body scan meditation, progressive relaxation is a practice aimed at reducing tension in the body and promoting relaxation. This form of meditation involves slowly tightening and relaxing one muscle group at a time throughout the body. Visualization meditation involves imagining a scene vividly and using all 5 senses to add as much detail as possible. It can also involve holding a beloved or honored figure in mind with the intention of embodying their qualities. Another form of visualization meditation involves imagining yourself succeeding at specific goals, which is intended to increase focus and motivation.
If you want to achieve that state of equilibrium, which is that meditative state, everything has to work in tandem. So if you look at meditation, it is something where body, mind, emotions, everything has to work together, and then it comes to a point where you start becoming meditative.
You know, when you're stressed, it affects your whole system, because even doctors say that 95% problems are psychosomatic. Yeah, so your mind and body, they are very connected. So if mentally you are stressed, we all know, yeah, it affects the physical well-being also. So when you can handle the mind, you can handle the emotion, the body becomes much more healthy.
Meditation can transform our lives, bringing about immediate and long-lasting positive effects. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let go of any tension and allow yourself to fully present in the moment. In a hustled life, we should pledge to spare a few minutes to practice it daily for a happy life.
Meditation can give you a sense of calm, peace and balances that benefits your emotional well-being and your overall health. But these benefits don't end with your meditation session, as meditation helps you to carry yourself calmly throughout your day. Meditation also helps you with certain medical condition and releases your stress. With camera person Manisha, Sabaikram for India Today.
Let's tell you some cool facts associated with yoga. Yoga as a practice is 5,000 years old. There are about 100 poses in yoga, but there are 84 asanas in totality. Yoga actually works every muscle of your body. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yog, which means union. Yoga is not a religion. Yoga is science of the well-being. As far as social media and popularity is concerned, there are 1 billion posts on Instagram around yoga. Well, that brings us to the end of this edition of Health 360. We hope you enjoyed watching the show as much as we did, putting it together for you. We certainly hope that you found some of the tips offered here around yoga and meditation useful. There's enough evidence and more to show that yoga indeed is crucial for all of us. It's important to make it a daily habit. You can catch this report and much more, many more news items around health and wellness on our website, that's indiatoday.in. You can also catch many of these videos on our social media handles, which is YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. From the entire team of Health 360, thanking you for joining us, for connecting with us. Take very good care of yourself. Bye for now.